और अब रुक करते हैं चेन्नई का, जहां पर 30 साल के एक बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता की हत्या कर दी गई। हत्या में 3 लोग शामिल हैं। मृतक बालाचंद्रन सेंट्रल चेन्नई के SC/ST विंग के अध्यक्ष थे। बालाचंद्रन की हत्या चेन्नई के चिंता त्रिपेट इलाके में की गई। बीते एक हफ्ते में चेन्नई में सरेआम की गई ये तीसरी हत्या की वारदात है। तो आपको बता दें कि ये बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता हैं, 30 साल के थे, जिनकी हत्या कर दी गई है। चेन्नई में ये कत्ल किया गया है और पुलिस ये बता रही है कि 3 लोग इस कत्ल की वारदात में शामिल थे। मृतक बालाचंद्रन सेंट्रल चेन्नई के SC/ST विंग के अध्यक्ष थे। बालाचंद्रन की हत्या चेन्नई के चिंता त्रिपेट इलाके में की गई है और बेहद दुख की बात है कि बीते एक हफ्ते में चेन्नई में सरेआम की गई ये तीसरी हत्या है। मेरे साथ मेरी सहयोगी धरनी इस वक्त जुड़ चुकी हैं। धरनी, अगर देखा जाए तो ये 3 वारदातें लगातार हुई हैं और आप इस मामले में थोड़ा और विस्तार से बताइए कि क्या कुछ अभी तक सामने आया है, क्या कत्ल की वजह रही, कौन थे ये लोग जिन्होंने कत्ल किया?
This can be called as the third murder in Chennai in the past, 1 week. Yesterday, Central Chennai's BJP's SC/ST wing president Balachandran was killed by an unknown 3-member gang in Chindadaripet area. Balachandran had already been allocated a PSO for his security reasons, but yesterday when his PSO and Balachandran they went to Chindadaripet for some work, the PSO had gone for a tea shop to have a tea. So in that time, meanwhile, a 3-member gang they came in a bike and they've attacked Balachandar with weapons, leading to his death. So this is literally like the third murder that's happening in broad daylight in Chennai in the past 1 week itself. Chennai has been consistently seeing murders and theft cases continuously for the past 1 month, and this has put the law and order situation in the state in a very questionable position. Now Balachandar's family is telling that they will not get his body unless the culprits are nabbed, because right now his body is in Chennai Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital for postmortem. So his family is telling that they will not receive the body back unless all these 3 culprits are nabbed by the Chennai police. Meanwhile, Chennai Police Commissioner Shankar Jiwal, he visited Rajiv Gandhi Hospital yesterday night, and he told that he has formed a special team to nab these 3 culprits, and that it might be due to the personal enmity that this murder happened. So the police commissioner has suspected personal enmity in case of this murder. So anyway, this whole thing, this puts the law and order situation in the state in a very questionable position, especially in the capital of Chennai, which is seeing continuous crimes for the past few weeks. In fact, opposition leader
Yes, definitely, Dharani, this is very tragic incident. In the broad daylight, a man, a BJP worker, was killed, was murdered by 3 members of a gang. Thank you so much for this update.